Replacement theology is the belief that the Gentile church has replaced Israel and the Jewish people as the new chosen people of God. In the most basic form, it's like going back through the Bible and finding any time that Israel or the Jewish people are mentioned, and then scratching that out with your pen and putting church there in its place. There are few theological beliefs that are as unhealthy and wrong as replacement theology. The church has not replaced Israel or the Jewish people as God's covenant chosen people. We've simply been added to those promises and joined to Israel's destiny through Jesus. Replacement theology turns Israel into God's ex-wife. It assassinates God's faithful character. If God makes hundreds of specific promises to one group of people, but then changes his mind and takes on a new covenantal group of people instead, how is he truly faithful and trustworthy?